This is an urgent video that we cannot afford to waste, so without further ado, let's get right to the point. There is exciting news for Shiba Inu enthusiasts. Data from the block shows a massive spike in the volume of large transactions involving Shiba Inu in just the past 24 hours. The volume has surged by a staggering 290%, rocketing from 1 to an impressive 3.5 trillion people. The Shiba Inu community is celebrating this uptick, and it's easy to understand why there has recently been a noticeable lack of activity from large holders or whales, which had almost completely stopped. Generated a great deal of anxiety among investors because when whales cease moving their holdings, it frequently indicates a lack of faith in the market, which makes everyone else concerned about the coin's future. This unexpected encouraging indicator of possible improvement and revived interest in Shiba Inu in terms of dollars is the resurgence of whale trades. This rise is considerably more notable. The amount of transactions increased dramatically from 29 million to 91 million. Shiba Inu's price behavior has also been very notable. Within the past day, it has increased by almost 5%, which was pretty sharp increase in price, but as of right now, the cost of a Shiba Inu has decreased by more than 3%. The market has been uneasy due to worries about MTGO fulfilling its Bitcoin obligations, which is the primary cause of this decline. Wallets belonging to the now-defunct MTGO transferred over 140,000 Bitcoin worth approximately $9 billion to an unidentified address today. After losing hundreds of thousands of Bitcoin in a breach, MTGO, the largest Bitcoin exchange in the world, went down in 2014. Since then, creditors have been waiting for recovery of their holdings, a process that many say might add substantial. Putting pressure on the Bitcoin market, this massive transfer caused investors to panic, believing a massive sell-off was about to happen. Imagine if a big retailer announced they were going to dump a ton of a popular product on the market. People would be concerned that the value of that product would drop. Well, when they saw this massive amount of Bitcoin on the move, they were afraid that it would be sold off, driving prices down. According to data from BitInfo charts, all of MTGOX's Bitcoin has now been transferred to a single wallet. This is the first time that assets have been moved from MTG's cold wallets in. It's probably a part of a strategy to return the assets to creditors by October 31, 2024, spread over a period of 5 years. The head of research at Galaxy, Alex Thorne, stated in an expost that he believes creditors will hold the majority of the transferred Bitcoin rather than selling it on the open market. Despite this assurance, market participants grew pessimistic about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, which is why we're witnessing a slight decline in the price of all cryptocurrencies today, including Shiba Inu. The price of Shiba Inu is currently in an interesting position, with each daily candle getting smaller. This pattern frequently points to bullish accumulation, but as we approach a crucial resistance level, we must proceed with caution. No matter how it turns out, the chart suggests that Shiba Inu is preparing for its next major move. Sometimes, this might be a trap for purchasers. One reason for the whale's renewed confidence may be a recent announcement made by a member of the Shiba Inu development team. According to Lucy, a key member of the Shiba Inu ecosystem team, they aren't obsessed with short-term gains that could drive the price of Shiba Inu up 30 to 50%. Instead, Lucy emphasizes a long-term perspective and focuses on building meaningful projects within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Lucy also mentioned that these efforts would allow them to reap the rewards of their labors at the appropriate time. Shiba Inu has been recognized for being relatively quiet and inactive for extended periods of time before experiencing sudden rapid growth. For instance, in March, the price tripled in a matter of days. While this can be exciting, it can also be problematic because such instability isn't the best approach, as it can result in many investors losing money during the volatile swings. However, it appears that the Shiba Inu team is moving toward a more stable long-term growth strategy. This approach has many advantages as it lowers the risk of abrupt crashes, provides a more predictable investment environment. Steady expansion. This probably explains why whales are feeling optimistic about Shiba Inu once more. Lucy also voiced optimism about the possibility of underdogs winning. Triumphant over established and powerful projects, she provided a convincing example to support her claims from the men's ice hockey competition at the 1998 Winter Olympics in Nagano, Japan. The competition featured strong teams like the US, Canada, and Russia, but the Czech Republic, who were considered the underdogs, won the gold medal behind their superstar goalie, Dominik Haik. Shocking everyone by triumphing over the US, Russia, and Canada in the semi-final, final, and quarter-final. All hail Shiba Inu, I always thought we could win in Nagano. Lucy pointed out this historic upset to demonstrate that teamwork and dedication can triumph over even the most star-studded lineups. She also mentioned that the Czech Republic's performance in the 1998 Winter Olympics proves that anything is possible, including underdogs defeating seasoned teams. Lucy said that her narrative suggests that Shiba Inu, who is frequently seen as the underdog in the cryptocurrency space, could potentially pull off a monumental upset and outperform dominant crypto assets in the future. Whales' confidence in Shiba Inu has probably also increased as a result of their perception of the possibility of a noteworthy and unexpected victory. While everyone has been talking positively about Shiba Inu, there has been some unfavorable news as well. In case you were unaware, Shiba Inu and its projects have been the target of criticism for a while. Remember when they said they would burn trillions of Shiba Inu tokens for their Shib project? Well, that hasn't happened as planned, and the frustration has been mounting. The criticism reached a peak, forcing the development team to respond, and today Lucy published a message addressing everyone who has been criticizing. The ecosystem of Shiba Inu, which includes the Layer 2 blockchain Shib, and its development team. While some people understood Lucy's point, others were not happy with her response from an ethical standpoint. Critics felt that if these critics think they can do better instead of being rude and critical, they should just go ahead and do it themselves. Lucy reminded the global Shiba Inu community that in the world of blockchain and decentralized cryptocurrencies, everyone can do their part, be the best Shiba Inu, and succeed. She also highlighted that this is one of the advantages of freedom and decentralization, adding that there are no owners in the Shiba Inu ecosystem and Sharian blockchain. Though today brought some surprising news, one of the longtime Shiba Inu holders decided to leave the project and sold their tokens. This person, known as a diamond holder for holding on to their Shiba Inu for more than 3 years, made quite the exit, starting with an initial investment of just a little over $100. They felt that challenging them to do better themselves wasn't constructive and ignored the developers' responsibility to deliver on their promises and address legitimate community concerns. $2,000. The news of their incredible hoard, which they held for 3.5 years and sold for a whopping $1.1 million, a stunning 419 times return on their investment, was published even by the official Shiba Inu account. What are your thoughts on that? Please leave a comment below. This brings this film to a conclusion. If you would like to view more, please click on one of the videos you see on the screen. I would be happy to hear your thoughts. In order to help me with the YouTube algorithm, if you like the video, please like it and don't forget to leave a comment. You can also help spread the word about this story by sharing it with as many people as you can.